dazzling defensive display. Antley couldn't corral. Santos, well, he can strike from here. Took a wicked deflection off Ryan Flood, the rookie left back, into the technical area. Corner here for Hilton. Deflected toward the back post. It's a strong slide in by Flood, who has not been intimidated by the professional game, has he?
You'd like to say welcome to the USL Championship, but he hasn't given you a reason so far to doubt him, has he?
No.
That was one of the key question marks for Rising coming into the season was what was the left side, specifically the left back spot, going to look like? Ryan Flood, a late addition, injury, visa problems, and transactions in the offseason that didn't necessarily think that they would get their number one spot over there situated right away. Not the case.
This Oakland last time out. Tremendous goal-scoring flair. Slide in, ill-fated by Adewale. And the run continues. Has support. Fernandez. Lewis Hilton. Antley. Good downshift. Steinberger. Steinberger awaits this roll. Lambert sprays this forward. Tough for Flood to deal with it. Quinn. Flood. Mowar. They've bypassed Scarlett now, and the through ball finds Quinn. Ante. Diving effort. Lasso. Flood. Asante once more. Closed down by Steinberger. Sought Musa. Flood reverses.
Logical east-west date line, if you will, and trying to make her just underneath, pinch to the left-hand side, play more of an 8-type role, and try and pick out these really influential passes, the game changers, if you will, especially 30 to 40 yards from goal. They've pulled him deeper here.
Is that something you see consistently on film over the first two games, or a market change?
Yeah, it's been very different for sure. You know, that was, I made the reference in the first half, Mike, about Aiden Quinn and how, you know, being for the best for the team as opposed to within the league. The best for the team.
The effort from Flood expresses his disapproval. Brian Quinn. 2020, COVID-19 ultimately canceled that game. An outbreak.
Focal point in the midfield, and I don't necessarily know if Jeremy Kelly could cover the amount of ground that Lambert does, so that's probably the thought process there.
Quinn. Got it down to one. Flood comes off. Prince Sadie comes on. Very attack-minded.
Watch this too, and this is something that Phoenix